Hi besties, I'll be showing you how to make moi moi. I have already peeled beans, shombo, crayfish, tatashi and some seasoning cubes. So it's time to blend. This is my already peeled beans. I'll start by adding in shombo, pepper, onions, and crayfish. So the next thing is to go ahead and blend my beans. So after I was done blending, can you see the texture? My beans was still thick. I added a little warm water, added seasoning cubes, added nutmeg together with some salt. The nutmeg is optional, but for me, I like adding nutmeg at times while making my steamed bean pudding because there is this taste that it gives to it. Added my groundnut oil. Stirred everything together until it's evenly mixed. So it's time to scoop in and tie all together. As you can see, my hot water is already boiling. So it's time to place it inside the boiling water. So after placing the moi moi inside the hot water, I covered the lid. I allowed it to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. As you can see, the moi moi is ready to be served with pap and gari. So will you be trying this? Drop in the comment section.